Today we're taking a look at this 8-cup food processor. At 4 cups, it's about halfway full. At 7 cups of liquid, you get right here to this little ridge, and at 8 cups, it fills it completely and it starts to go out just a teeny tiny bit, depending upon how accurately you measured. The lid here does have a silicone ring on it. It does not latch, it just sits on top of the bowl. Nice convenient feature. And then you've got your power head, which only goes on in one direction. It does not allow you to put it on any other way. So we'll go ahead and put that on and we're going to try it out. I have about 1 cup of breadcrumbs in the bowl along with a ½ cup of oatmeal. Here is speed 1. Here is speed 2. I still have some chunky, so this is going to take a little bit longer than what my previous food processors do, but this has a lot less pieces to wash because you don't have the whole head where you drop stuff in. Okay, it looks like I am getting a little bit of powder coming out. Not much, just a tiny bit. Overall, that does look pretty good.
I will now be processing this apple. I'll start with the level 1 setting. And I'll give it a try with level 2. Oh, that's all, thank you.